Hey guys, welcome to another daily analysis. So let's start with your USD. As we can see, yesterday it actually just continued to drop lower, but today we do have a minor break and price could potentially start retracement from here. What I don't like is that we failed to create a demand at the bottom of the 4-hour range here. You can see the current candle is pushing into that right now, so you're not getting that. Even though we had this engulfing bullish candle, it's still not giving that strong bullish momentum signal that we might push up higher. But yeah, I'm kind of more interested in the 15-minute, but unless there's confirmation, there will obviously be no setup, just like yesterday, because then price could just continue dropping lower. But what I'll be waiting for is, on the 15, we obviously have the break of 15-minute structure, and we have a very nice demand, and we have liquidity over here as well. So and here as well. I mean, lots of chances for price to just come down like this into the demand and yeah, move up higher. So that's what I'm currently waiting for. Let me just show the footprint with the level that I'm waiting for. As you can see, EU 15-minute, and this is the demand zone. And if we just zoom in on the demand, you're gonna see that sell before the impulsive buying candle. Why is it impulsive? Because it obviously created a gap, and yeah, you can see minus 87. So we'll be waiting for a retest on that level. But yeah, price is quite slow today, so we'll be waiting for that. And in the meantime, let's look at GU. So GU on the 4-hour, it is quite messy. We are still in this range over here, basically, since we had the first reaction from the supply. It failed to break the low, and we're kind of going in there now. So obviously it's becoming more like liquidity like that, right? So what I would prefer is that price comes into the extreme supply, and then much better shorting opportunities there. On the 15-minute as well, you can see the 15 is bullish, so more reason to wait for the extreme supply. I wouldn't take longs into that higher supply because you can see that price is not really having the momentum, the bullish momentum on the 15 either. For example, if we draw our premium discount, we already had the retracement, so price should just be taking out the high now. It will be, and since it didn't, it will just be more risky to try and get in to a setup here, because in order to find the momentum, price is likely to look for liquidity. So what's more likely to happen is that price will come down, grab liquidity from impatient traders that are trying to get in now, and then it will take out the high, or it could just continue lower since there's no bullish momentum at the moment. So yeah, that's why I'm staying away from GU at the moment, since this is just sideways range, and I'll just be waiting for confirmation on EU. So let's see what happens. And by the way, if you are interested in more updates and trading conversations throughout the day, do feel to join the free Discord. That's pretty active in there, and it's nice to trade and discuss ideas in there as well. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.